kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy paper height measuring device. So this is a really cool height measuring scale and it can also be called as a stadiometer. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really cute easy stadiometer. So this is a really easy model of a stadiometer and I'm just going to take a Lego since it's small for placing in this size. So you can just keep it over here, and I made like a purple moving device over here. So you can just keep it at the top and you can keep any doll over here and you can just keep it in the correct height size of your Lego doll, and so soon as you take it, this will be your doll's or Lego's height. For example, this one is 80 centimeter. So I just made it high 100 centimeters. If you guys want, you can even make it more longer. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make into it. So to get started, I'm just going to be taking a few materials. So I made this one in bluish white color, light bluish white. So you can take any color you like. So you can go and grab your materials. So first I'm taking a square piece of paper in this color. Then I'm taking a big rectangular piece of paper and a small rectangular piece of paper. So I'm just going to keeping all the paper aside. I'm only going to be keeping the square piece of paper over here. And I'm going to be making a small box like this. So I'm just going to be folding it properly and slowly like this. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper box. So if you guys can refer that. So if you feel like this is kind of hard. So for the first step is that I just folded all the four sides of the paper to the middle point like this. So now I'm just going to be folding two sides of the paper to the middle line over here. Now I'm going to be opening it and I'm going to be folding the other two sides to the middle point over here. So now I'm just going to be opening this and I'm also going to be opening these two parts and I'm going to be folding them into the half middle point over here. So as soon as we completed this, I'm going to take in the bottom part and I'm going to be folding it to the top. So I'm going to be repeating the same step on the top part as well. So now I'm just going to be opening it and I'm going to be folding it to the top over here. So as soon as we completed this, I'm just going to be opening it and now I'm going to be folding all these two sides of the paper to the middle point like this. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step on this side of the paper as well. So if you're going to be doing it for any of your dolls, you can make it in a bigger size. Since this is only going to be like in the size of a Lego, so if you're going to be making it for your Chelsea dolls or for your Barbie dolls, you could just make it in a bigger size. So you can take like an A4 sheet and you can fold it to get a square and you can do it in that size. So now the bottom part is ready. So next we'll be taking black board marker like this. And so I'm going to be drawing a big circle over here. So this is why you're supposed to stand this part. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking the rectangular piece of paper, the big one we have, and I'm going to be opening it like this. And now I'm going to apply some glue on one side of the paper like this. So you can apply glue over here or you can even apply tape. So the reason I'm going to be doing this because it's kind of thin. So if you wanted to make it thicker, you could apply two pieces of paper like this. So if your paper is already thick, you do not have to do this. Or you can even use cardboard. So you can just use cardboard and stick it on top as well. So you can use different color pieces of paper. You don't have to follow the same color combinations. So I'm just going to apply some glue over here. So if you have any problems with glue coming out, you could just take your scissor and you could just poke it inside the glue bottle over here. So then you can take the scissor out. And if you try, it will most likely to come. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this part, like this. And I'm also going to be applying some more glue on this part as well. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm sticking it on top. So for that I'm just going to be using my hand to spread out the glue. So now I'm going to be sticking it. So now we'll be having a thicker piece of paper. So the next step we're going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting it properly to fit the size. So I'm just going to be cutting it like this and I'm going to be trimming it at the edges in the corners and making them into a curved path like this. So now we'll have a piece of paper like this. So you can just check if it fits the size. If it does not, you can just cut it more like this as well. So please wait a second till I complete this. So now we've completed and you can stick it over here. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be putting the marks. So for this I'm just going to be taking a black sketch pen. So if you guys want to even take a black pen as well. So here I'm just going to be putting small lines like this. So I'm just going to be putting 10 lines since I'm only going to be making it in 100 centimeters. You can do it how much ever you like. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just going to be writing 10 over here. and I'm going to write in centimeter. So next I'm going to write in 20 and I'm going to write in centimeter. So you can do that all around this. So please wait a second until I complete this. So I've written it until 40 centimeters. So I have a few more to go. So now we've completed drawing the scale. So now I'm just going to take a purple marker and I'm going to doing a bit of decorations. So I'm just going to putting small spots over here. So like this. So here I did it using blue markers. You can even do that. It's according to your wish. So after we complete this, I'm just going to taking the black marker again and I'm putting a small big dot at the top. Like that. So next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be opening this over here and I'm going to be applying some glue over here on this part. So I'm just going to apply glue gently like this over here. Now I'm going to taking the scale that we made and I'm going to sticking it on top. So if you guys can even do this, so instead of sticking it over here, you can stick it to the bottom and you can insert it over here on that part. Or one more thing is that you can just fold it like this to the front and then over here. Then you can even stick it like this. So it's according to your wish. It can be made any way you like. So if you did like according to the size and everything you made, you can stick that. So I'm just going to sticking this at the bottom over here and waiting it until it sticks properly. So now we've completed sticking it and it's staying nice and well. So now you can just fold it over here to make it sure it's nice and straight like this. So next we'll be starting off by making this purple moving thread. So for that I'm just going to be taking another rectangular piece of paper like this and I'm going to coloring it into a different color. So you can do it in any color you like. I just thought purple will be a nice color. So I'm using purple. So you guys use green, blue or anything according to the first color you chose. You can use the same color as well, but the color combination or the color code won't be that well. So I'm just going to cutting this slowly like this. So now we'll be having a big piece of paper like this, a big long piece of paper. So if you guys want, you can even take like another color paper and do it, but it'll be more easier if you just color it in. So next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be applying some glue on this piece of paper over here. Slowly like that. Next I'm going to taking this piece of paper and I'm going to be folding it like this. So as you see, it will be nice and big, so just make it bigger because next step will be kind of different. So now I'm just going to be taking this thread and I'm going to putting it inside over here. So making it come down like this. As soon as it comes down, I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm going to folding it over here like this. So now I'm just going to taking this piece of paper and I'm going to folding it to the bottom over here and I'm going to tying it like this. So now you can just move it up and down over here and also stay. So if you guys want, you can make this nice and thicker, this small round, since it's kind of small, you can make it big. So after as soon as we complete this, our height measuring scale is ready. So you can just take any Lego or toy and as you see, I'm just taking this Lego and you could keep it over here. Then I'm going to be placing the height over here and we can measure the height. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So you can do more decorations to this and decorate it in any way you like. You can even use a different color piece of paper and decorate it. So you can also like make it more realistic, so you can add more features like height measuring device. You can write it at the back, or you could even put some small decorations and mini gems on here. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, you can comment that in the comment box below. And I'll see your comments and I'll try to make the craft you wanted and I'll post it as soon as I'm good at making it. So if you guys have any doubts about doing this craft or about any video in my channel, you can comment that as well. And I'll also clear the doubts as soon as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this and share this video with all your friends and family members and to the people who like crafts. So thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!